Alrighty, I have been so excited about today, but we can finally reveal that Light Touch Clinic is one of the very first clinics outside of the USA and Europe to get the Emerald Fat Loss Laser. This is groundbreaking technology. This changes how we talk about weight loss. It doesn't always have to be about diet and exercise. We've now got the third pillar, which is basically true machine fat loss. All you do is lie under the machine. It's got a green cold light laser, which means there are no side effects. You won't feel a thing. And over time, you can lose many kilos of weight. This is the first machine that's been approved up to a BMI of 40, but we are confident we can treat beyond. So anyway, if this is something that truly excites you like it does me, call the clinic and get booked in for one of the very first consultations you'll be able to get anywhere in the UK.